Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Amazon Influencer Program application process, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable the Amazon Influencer Program application process, begin by visiting the official Amazon Influencer Program website. Sign in to your Amazon account using your existing credentials. If you do not have an Amazon account, create a new one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, locate the Apply Now button on the homepage of the Amazon Influencer Program. Click the Apply Now button to proceed with your application. You will be redirected to a page where you can select your preferred social media platform. Choose from options such as YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, depending on where you have a following. Provide the necessary information about your social media account, including your username and the number of followers. Ensure that your social media account meets Amazon's eligibility requirements for the influencer program. Follow any additional instructions on the page to complete your submission. After submitting your application, you will receive a confirmation email from Amazon. Wait for a response from Amazon regarding the status of your application. Check your email regularly for updates on your application progress. If approved, you will receive further instructions on how to set up your Amazon Influencer storefront. If your application is denied, review the feedback provided and consider reapplying. Once your storefront is set up, you can start promoting Amazon products to your audience. Review the program's terms and conditions to ensure compliance with Amazon's guidelines. Utilize your social media platforms effectively to drive traffic to your storefront. Monitor your performance and earnings through the Amazon Influencer dashboard regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.